Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 2, I will put into 1 plus 1. This one that is about identity. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus 1. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change by u. The s we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have all tan of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.